I woke up like 30 minutes ago and I was listening to this guy talking about the Bible and stuff. We had a crazy storm last night, but look at this. Our property flooded. You ever just want to, that's actually a pretty deep puddle. Yeah, property flooded. I just stepped on this. This is a golf ball. You guys ever remember just being a kid, being outside, being attacked by a bird, being outside, and just doing random shit? Well, trying to figure out what this is. Damn, that ball's broken. Thought it was like a Spalding 3. This might be an old one. Anyways, yeah, it's funny. I was just out here. Look at this. Let me try to zoom. That fucker wanted to fly and try to attack me. Still dressed. Now you go in the puddle, you want to kind of wash it off. Otherwise, you get sick. That's what my mom told me anyway.